Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have LED bulbs and a Sylvania Load Equalizer rated for 12V. Once done, turn the ignition off and disconnect the battery negative to avoid shorts. Next, expose the turn signal socket and identify the positive feed and the ground lead. You will splice the equalizer across these two wires. Make sure to use proper connectors and strip only as much insulation as needed so the equalizer tabs sit flush and secure. You now splice the equalizer. Connect its positive lead to the turn signal power wire and its negative lead to the chassis ground. Use crimp or solder joints, then seal with heat shrink tubing to prevent corrosion, because a bad joint will mimic an open circuit. Once connected, mount the equalizer to a solid, clean metal surface using the provided stud or a self-tapping screw. Avoid flexible panels. Also, route and secure wires away from heat sources and moving components, so reattach the battery and test the turn signals. You should see a steady, factory-like flash rate. If hyperflash or no flash occurs, make sure the equalizer is the correct ohm value for your LED load and that connections are tight and grounded. Once you've checked wiring, swap bulbs one at a time to isolate a faulty LED or corroded socket. If the problem stays, remount the equalizer to a different solid ground point. A poor ground is the most common failure cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.